Whoa! Hey, yo, what's good, guys? In today's video, it's Edrio's wedding. Oh,
that's not part of the video. But anyways, I just got MHD. We're on stage 1. I tuned burbles and anti-lag, so we're gonna see how that goes.
Yeah, and launch control.
And this is very safe, by the way. It's very legal.
very safe. Really good.
Tune,
Recorded in Mexico.
This is all GTA.
This is Mexico.
It's a fruit tune. Fruit tune right here. What?
Where's the Mustafa right now?
Ow.
Where's the burbles?
I don't know. That's Rico's jacket.
I thought.
Yeah, that is my jacket.
Wait, oh my god. The burbles are crazy.
Oh, my ears are frozen.
He's inside the door.
My right ear is
My shit is
frozen.
one with the doorknob.
Ah,
Ow.
that was
I'm
insanely
in so
sexy.
much
It
pain.
was like.
Ow, my head.
You're done.
Oh.
Yeah, I heard that.
There's a papas.
No, okay, so it's 45. I said it's a 45
For the papas?
for the burbles, yeah.
For the pop.
You gotta set it to everything. You said burble.
Oh my god!
On my leg.
I think you should set the duration a little bit longer.
Yeah.
Max
I'll do-
duration.
yeah.
Max duration.
Yeah, honestly.
Highest, bro. You put on the highest
Sorry,
there, bro.
sorry,
My
chat,
balls are freezing, bro. The wind's going straight on my balls.
Oh my ear.
Max duration, aggressive.
I can't feel my
bro.
ear.
Bro.
1K. It's like only burbles. Like little farts.
It's like the Audi F4.
Yeah.
So bro.
Oh! Yo, chill. That sounds insane.
And you still got your regular downpipes, right?
Alright guys, so currently I have the MHD with the JB4 backend flash. I'm on stage 1. I'm going to adjust the burbles, make them lower so it's just always burble. So max delinquent, just being super annoying all the time.
I'm so comfortable right now. My shin is inside the doorknob.
Wait, so should I make it
Bruh, just turn everything up, bruh. Just
Max
make it max
duration.
everything, max everything.
Max duration. Max duration.
Just to see how it is.
No, max, all the way.
You can base it on
Max. Yeah. Wait, no, main RPM, you gotta put it all the way down.
Give the settings zero.
Zero. Yes.
I'm gonna do 1,000.
800, calm. You're gonna be burbling on idle, bro.
Boom.
1 minute left. Cause I'm already on the tune. All I'm doing is adjusting.
My leg is being tuned in the door right now.
This is MHD right here.
Yeah, no, this is MHD, guys. Oh, wait, there's space right here for me to put my foot.
Yo, what is this? Bro, you're gonna when you get it.
Alright guys, we just finished the tune, or just like adjusting the burbles, I mean. Now we just gotta wait 30 seconds, and then we can start the car.
2, 3, 4.
Max duration, see?
No, yeah, but
But that wrecks your starter, bro.
yeah.
Your starter? Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Or yeah, it's like really bad for your engine. Or something like that. Alright.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
This is about to be hilarious.
Bismillah. I'm recording your phone. Oh!
My god. Everything is good.
I like
For this, I like this. We can go at the same time.
Yo!
Shut
For
up.
this, we can go at the same time.
I'll watch. I'll be on the chair.
Oh my goodness.
Max Burbles.
Wait till you get your downpipe.
Oh
Yeah,
my.
wait.
Oh my. Bismillah.
Oh my. So
Literally just farting, bro.
Oh!
Go to Max, go to Max.
Oh, the anti-lag?
Hold on, let me see if I can do this.
Oh my god! Oh my god, it's so bad.
That's crazy,
You're a true hot
bro.
boy.
I am, bro. I'm true BMW.
I love those
This is amazing. Oh, but I'm not gonna lie, this is gonna suck, guys. We're like 6 bodies deep. That bump is brutal.
Just make a U-turn and go back on go back 7. He's home cats. Dude. Holy shit.
Damn. Yeah, my cats are fried. My cats are absolutely fried.
Definitely can smell something.
Oh, it snows inside. I love it.
It's close. We can hear from inside the car.
Drift.
Okay, not right now.
Thank you. Red Linus. Oh my god.
I want to hear from the outside, bro.
All right, we'll do a drive-by.
That shit's crazy.
Ow. You gotta put a mic back there.
Alright guys, Ali's driving in a socket here. Hopefully my flybys work. Bro, that sounds so good.
It's actually loud, but I heard
Yo.
you all the way down there.
Alright guys, so this is why you gotta get MHD. Also, do not do what I'm doing if you care about your cats. I'm still on the stock cats right now, but I have downpipes. Like, they're already in my garage, I just haven't put them on. So, yeah, I'm gonna just record Ali do this flyby real quick, and then I'll catch y'all then. Oh, you hear that? You smell that, guys? That's crazy. Those are my cats being fried right now. Dude, it smells.
Oh my god, he let go of that perfectly.
Yeah.
It was like right in our face. Bro, that sounds.
Alright guys, they're about to do another flyby. It sounds really good. There's traffic. There's a F-150.
Slow down for us.
No, but he's slowing down.
He doesn't want to like do it. It's not his. He's gonna get another one in.
No, he's turning right. He's turning right.
Oh, he's
Wait, he's getting another one in. Dude, that sounds so good. So basically, I'm on MHD with the JB4 backend flash. I'm on Pump USA 2 because I don't have a flex fuel kit and I'm not running E right now. Yeah.
Why is it one of those car beats?
But yeah, so I'm on MHD with JB4 backend flash. I'm only on Pump USA because I don't have flex fuel and I'm not running E. So until I do that, I won't be running those. But once these downpipes come on, it's gonna sound really good. Wait, you know they had maps for single turbos?
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, a single turbo.
Down the road, trust me.
Big single.
Oh, man. But yeah, I'll show you guys more of like the MHD UI and everything, because even I was confused myself. A lot of the old documents were superseded and moved to other forums and whatnot. But yeah, it wasn't that hard. It wasn't that hard to learn. my hand is frozen right now.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna just catch up when I get back in the garage.
I think.
Alright guys, I'm literally editing this video right now, but just wanted to show you the MHD app. As you can see, I have the super license because I can flash MHD maps, I can flash backend maps, and I can flash custom maps. At the moment, as I said previously, I'm on the JB4 backend flash. You just have to download the files from, it used to be N54 Tech, but it got moved to JB4 Tech's forum. It's Terry's JB4 backend flash. I'll just link it in the description and then you guys can download it. But as you can see, when you first connect to MHD, you have to figure out what DME you have. You can do that just by like running codes, but I have the i8 AOS. So you basically just go here, read DME codes, and then it'll show you what hardware the DME is running. Besides that, they have live monitoring, data logging, and you can flash it back to stock immediately, live data. And besides that, this little menu bar over here can show you your license, which I'm not going to show for obvious reasons. It has like a how-to guide of how to use it, and yeah, it's pretty cool being able to do this from your phone via Bluetooth versus having a laptop out. Down the road, I definitely do want to have a custom tune, especially when I get my upgraded twins, and then hopefully the big single down the road. But for now, I'm very excited because I believe I have the best of both worlds with JB4 and MHD. And before we end this video off, I'm going to be showing you the downpipes that I have yet to install and what the car sounds like after a cold start with the new Burble tune. So I'm very excited. I'll just head downstairs and show you guys that. Guys, as you can see, just cold started the car. It's a proper cold start because haven't driven it since last night, and it is the day after, which you guys can obviously tell. But really happy with how the tune came out. I wasn't initially planning on recording a video about this, but I mean, I was with the gang yesterday, so it turned out to be a fun little vlog regardless. Besides that, really happy that I finally was able to code the Precision Raceworks Coil packs. What else? Oh, let me show you guys the downpipes. I'm also just letting it warm up so that I can rev it for you guys so you can hear how it sounds like, because it sounds kind of mean. Yeah, like I said earlier in the video, disregard what's behind me. You'll see that in a future video. Yeah, like I said earlier, if you are still on stock cats, don't do this, because you will shorten the lifespan of your cats exponentially, and you shouldn't be doing this regardless. But I already have my catless downpipes that I have yet to install. So yeah, I'm kind of loafing and putting that off because I'm definitely not doing that myself. I already helped Ronnie once. I helped my dad a few years ago. I'm good. I don't want to do that again. It's not for me. I can do it, but it's cold right now and I really don't want to. So it's not really a big deal for me. So I'm going to have someone do it for me. But yeah, once the catless downpipes are in, I will finally be fully bolt on. So I didn't know the previous owner had installed 5-inch front mount intercooler, but I'm going for the 7.5-inch stepped, which I'll do down the road. But yeah, once the cats are in, we'll be pushing a lot more power. Well, not a lot more, but we'll be pushing more power. And pretty soon in the near future, I'll be doing upgraded twins, as well as the oil pan gasket, thermostat, and water pump, because I mean, I'm already in there, so might as well. So yeah, without further ado, I'm just gonna give you guys a quick little revs, And then that's it for today's video. So alright guys, don't want to do too much because I'm still in my neighborhood and I don't want them to hate me. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget, nothing's impossible. I haven't done this in a while. Don't forget, nothing's impossible. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.